Hi everyone, my name is Ayush and today is my last working day as a data analytics intern at Up to Skills, where in my first half of my internship I majorly focused on data collection and mining to fetching the details of various job postings among the various platforms like Internshala, Naukri, Indeed, and also the collecting the details of the TPO and head dean and other faculties like their name, email, designation, and phone numbers. And then coming to the data analytics and visualization. So in that I used Microsoft Power BI tool, where I basically first cleaned the data and then loaded. First I loaded the data in Power BI and then cleaned the data and started with the visualizations and plotting of the data, like using the various charts like the pie chart, clustered bar chart, and column chart. So this was a 3 month internship where I got to learn many things about data and visualization. Thank you.